Hey everyone! In this tutorial, we're going to show you how to add a loading indicator to your Simplebooklet. This feature displays a progress bar while your booklet is loading, giving your readers a clear visual cue that content is on the way. So we're going to get started here today on the Simplebooklet dashboard. We're going to select the booklet that we want to update. Once we found it, we're going to go ahead and click on the Design tab. From here, we're going to make our way over to the toolbar on the left-hand side and click on the Advanced button. We're going to want to make sure that the loading indicator is toggled on, just like that. Now that it's enabled, a progress bar will appear while your Simplebooklet loads, letting your audience know the content is loading in the background. Your changes will be saved automatically. With the loading indicator active, your readers get a smoother, more informative experience while waiting for your content to load. Enabling the loading indicator enhances the attention stage of the reader's journey. By providing immediate feedback that the booklet is loading, it reduces uncertainty and keeps your audience engaged, even for larger files. This ensures your readers stay focused and provides a polished, professional experience. And that's it for this tutorial. If you found this helpful, make sure to check out our other tutorials for more ways to get the most out of Simplebooklet. Thanks for watching.